Okay, you can see the mastoid foramen, the sulcus of transverse sinus. Then here you have jugular tubercle. This is the hypoglossal canal. This is internal acoustic meatus, jugular tubercle, this jugular foramen. So you have foramens over here, hypoglossal canal here, internal acoustic meatus. This is your jugular foramen. This is your sulcus of the sigmoid sinus, which is an S-shaped pin. This is the foramen magnum. Posterior cranial fossa. This is the internal occipital crest, internal occipital protuberance. Next is the important cranial foramina and bones and the contents past. Foramen cecum is present in the frontal and ethmoid bone, and the contents past is emissary vein. So emissary vein passes through foramen cecum. Greater palatine foramen is present in the palatine bone, and through it greater palatine nerve, artery, vein is passed. Then the lesser palatine foramen is also present in the palatine bone, through which the lesser palatine nerve, artery and vein pass. Then the incisive canal is present in the maxilla, through which the nasopalatine nerve is passed. Supraorbital foramen, which is present in the frontal bone, through which the supraorbital nerve, artery and vein pass. Infraorbital foramen, which is present in the sphenoid and maxilla bone, and the contents passed through the infraorbital foramen is the infraorbital nerve, artery and vein. The V2, that is the fifth nerve, maxillary division. 5-2 is written, that means it is the second division of trigeminal nerve, which is the maxillary division of trigeminal nerve. The first division is your ophthalmic division. The third division is your mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. In the optic canal, it is present in the sphenoid bone, and the contents pass through the optic canal is optic nerve and ophthalmic artery. Then you have superior orbital fissure, which is present in sphenoid between the greater and the lesser wings of sphenoid. You have 3, 4, 6, then trigeminal nerve, that is the first one, ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve, which ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve has 3 other branches, that is lacrimal branch, frontal branch and nasociliary branch. Also superior ophthalmic vein is the another content which passes through the superior orbital fissure. The inferior orbital fissure is present, which leads to the infraorbital foramen. It is present in sphenoid and maxillary bone, through which the maxillary division of trigeminal nerve passes through. Also the infraorbital vessels, ascending branches of sphenopalatine ganglion. Foramen rotundum is present. Foramen rotundum, foramen ovale, foramen spinum, spinosum is all present in the sphenoid bone. Foramen rotundum, through which the maxillary division of the trigeminal nerve passes through. Foramen ovale has mandibular division of trigeminal nerve and lesser petrosal nerve. In addition to this, you have the emissary vein. Then you have foramen spinosum, through which middle meningeal artery and vein passes through. Also the petrotympanic fissure is present in the temporal bone, through which chorda tympani passes through. Anterotympanic artery is not so important anyway, just note it. Then foramen lacerum is present in temporal and sphenoid bone, through which greater and the deep petrosal nerves passes through that. Internal acoustic meatus is present in temporal bone, which is petrous part of temporal bone, through which the 7th and the 8th nerve passes through. Stylomastoid foramen is present in the temporal bone, through which the facial nerve passes through. Jugular foramen also present in temporal and occipital bone, through which the interjugular vein 9, 10 and 11 nerves pass through. That is through the jugular foramen. Now foramen magnum, which is present in the occipital bone, through which the medulla oblongata, spinal cord, vertebral artery, spinal accessory nerve passes through. Mandibular foramen is present in the mandible. Mandibular foramen is also present in the mandible. Mandibular foramen, inferior alveolar nerve, artery and vein passes through. Mandibular foramen, through which mandibular nerve, artery and vein passes.